AI video generation is evolving rapidly and the competition among platforms is fiercer than ever. So I decided to put them to the test, and in this video, I'll be using the same image and the prompt to create videos with each tool, comparing their quality and performance. Along the way, I'll showcase some practical real-world use cases, including incredible lip-syncing tools and more. So stay tuned for some jaw-dropping results. This is Brian from Upside Learners, and let's get started. First, we have RunwayML. To use the tool, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Now click Try Runway and sign up using your Google account. Once you're signed in, here you'll find different features available on RunwayML. Now to create your video, click Generate Video. Here we have three main models. You can choose the one you want. I'm going to select Gen 3 Alpha Turbo since it is the fastest. So let's select that. Now to create your video, you have two options, text to video and image to video. We are going to create a video using image to video. Here we are going to upload an image and then convert it into a video. So let's drag and drop the image. Here you can describe how you want the video to be because this helps the AI to understand what you want and give you the best results. So I'm going to ask it to create a cinematic, wide establishing shot of a man walking through a battlefield with soldiers moving in the background. Once you've given the prompt, then click Generate and your video will be generated. As you can see, the video has come out really well and the quality is also good. So to download the video, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. So now we have seen how to generate videos from Runway and what kind of video it can create. Next, let's move on to the second tool, which is Kling AI. To use this tool, just click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Now click sign in for free credits, fill in these details and create your account. Now go to AI videos, and like the previous tool, Kling AI also has two options for creating videos. It's text to video and image to video. Let's select image to video. Now I'm going to upload the same image here, enter the same prompt and click generate. And let's see how this tool generates the video. Now this process will take some time, so just wait for a while and it's done. The video looks pretty good and compared to the previous tool, the quality is so much better. You can also see the movements of the soldiers here. Let's download it by clicking here and your video will be downloaded. And let's move on to the third tool, which is Luma AI. To use the tool, just click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Now click Try Now and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, let's click here and upload the same image and the prompt that we used earlier. Then click here and as you can see, the video has been generated and it looks pretty decent actually. So to download the video, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Alright, let's move on to the fourth tool, which is Minimax AI. To use the tool, just click the link in the description and sign in with your Google account. Then click here and upload the image and the prompt that we used earlier. Now click here and your video will be ready. Well, the video looks good. So let's download it and it will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, now that we've generated the videos using all the four tools, let's compare the results. Runway did a great job with the video quality following the prompt of a man walking in a warfield. But the soldiers in the background aren't moving. Kling AI is more realistic than RunwayML and you can see the soldiers walking, though the video angle could be better. Overall, it is great. Luma AI didn't get it right actually. The characters at the back don't look real and the video quality is also poor. Finally, Minimax AI is almost perfect. The visuals are realistic and the movements are smooth. When it comes to quality and relevance to the prompt, Kling AI and Minimax are equally good and they also stand out as the best. Next, let's look at a few more examples and see how these tools perform in different scenarios. So I have uploaded an image of a girl and asked these tools to create a video of a model filming a commercial with a beautiful smile and a flowing hair. So let's see the results. Actually, Kling AI just nailed it here. It captures the smile perfectly and the video quality is great. RunwayML's video is also pretty good, but the smile is lacking. Also, the hand movement feels a bit stiff compared to Kling AI. Luma AI's video is okay. The video has no movements and the model's face and lips look unnatural. Minimax's output is also really good and it follows the prompts accurately. Again, Kling AI and Minimax did really well here. Alright, we'll just see one more example, and this time I've uploaded an image of a man running on a seashore and asked the tools to make a video with details like waves touching his feet and water splashing around him. So let's see the results. The video which Runway generated turned out pretty good, but the detailing could be better. You can see the waves aren't touching his feet and his legs also have some disturbances. Kling AI did an awesome job and you can see the water splashing as he runs. And the details on the sand are also very good. Minimax's video quality is great, although it doesn't fully follow the prompt. The video still turned out really well. Luma AI also did a great job with the video, but the quality is quite low. Okay, now that we've compared the top 4 tools, so when it comes to the overall ranking, I would say Kling AI is first, Minimax second, then RunwayML and Luma AI. It's impressive, right? But wait, there's more. I've got a few other interesting AI tools that you should definitely check out. Let's go through them one by one. So first we have Hedra AI. This tool can make any image talk by syncing it with an audio just like this.
It's gonna hit as hard as life, but it ain't about how hard you hit.
To use the tool, just click the link in the description and it will take you to Hedra AI. Once you're here, click on Create and sign in with your Google account. Now go to Import Audio. Now drag and drop the audio file here and you can adjust the length of the audio by dragging it like this. Then upload the image to which you want to sync the audio. And finally, click Generate.
It's gonna hit as hard as life, but it ain't about how hard you hit.
As you can see, it has turned your image into a video with good lip sync. Now to download the video, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Okay guys, before we move on, let me show you a tool that will be a huge time saver if you're looking to write blogs. It's called Gravity Write. Just enter your title, click Create Outline and you've got an outline. Hit Generate All and in seconds, you've got a complete blog with stunning images. Visit gravitywrite.com and get it for one full year at just $97. Next, we have an interesting tool which can turn your images into a video with smooth transitions like this. So to check it out, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to Krea AI. Once you're there, go to the video section and sign in with your Google account. Then click Start and click Open App. And here you'll find some default images and their prompts. So first, let's delete these. Just hover over the image and click on this delete symbol. Once you've deleted it, you can set the duration of the video here. I'm going to set it to 9 seconds. Now to add the image, click on the timeline, then click here and upload the image. Now in the same way, you can add all the images you want. Just leave some space between the images to create the transitions for the video. And once you've added the images, next, you need to describe how you want the image to be transformed. So just click here and enter the prompt. In the same way, you can add the prompt to the other images. And once you've given the prompt, then click here, select the aspect ratio and click Generate. As you can see, your video has been generated. Actually, the videos come out really well and the transitions between the images are so good. Now to download the video, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Alright, let's check out the next tool, Viggle AI. With this tool, you can replace any character in a video. Imagine yourself acting in a favorite movie scene just like this. Amazing, right? To know how to do that, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to Viggle AI. This tool is available on multiple platforms, so I'm going to try it on the web. So let's click here and sign in with your Google account. Here you need to upload the video in which you want to replace the character. Before you upload, just make sure that your video meets these conditions. Your video should only have one character and nothing blocking or hiding the character. Also, avoid using footage with dark scenes. And for the best results, keep the video under 30 seconds. This is the video that I am going to upload. So let's drag and drop it here. Next, upload the image of the character that you want to replace in the video and make sure you use a full body photo with a clear background. The image size should not be more than 10 MB. Let's drag and drop the image here and click Create and your video will be generated. you can see that the cat has been replaced with my image. Now there are a few glitches here and there, but the result is still impressive. You can download the video by clicking here and it will be saved to your computer. Now before we move on to the next tool, I wanted to quickly mention a great web hosting platform called WebSpaceKit. The perfect platform to launch and build your WordPress site easily. It offers a free domain, free SSL, and thousands of themes and plugins. You can set up a professional WordPress site without any coding skills. Plus, you get a 10% off using the link in the description. Alright, now let's dive into our final tool. This amazing tool allows you to turn your images into those viral hugging videos that have been trending online. To use this tool, just click the link in the description and it will take you to Vidu AI. Now click Try Vidu and sign in with your Google account. Now go to Create Videos. Here you need to upload an image featuring two people together like this. You can create an image like this using Canva, where you can add two different photos together and then download it as a single image. Then describe what actions that they have to do in this video. So I have asked to make them hug each other. And then click Create. And as you can see, it has generated a video of them hugging each other. So that's it guys, these are the best AI tools that I have found for video creation. Check them out and let us know which one is your favorite tool in the comments below. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you about two incredible tools that can help you take your content creation to the next level. First, there's GratiWrite, an AI writing assistant that generates high quality content based on easy to use templates. And second, WebSpaceKit, a web hosting platform that simplifies the process of launching and building a WordPress website. The links for the tools are given below. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Website Learners for more cool videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.